My name is Basil Ford. I head up the media TI. So each partner brings a certain type of skill and a certain type of thing to the party. So for example, the NFVF, their strength is in developing the scripts, looking at the production, making sure that the production happens the way that it should. The DTI gives the rebate, which is non-recoupable, and that helps to make the film more easily to achieve economic merit. And we bring the financial muscle to the party. What we also bring is we bring an element of skill in structuring the film or the financial aspects of the film and how it should be funded. So that's what we bring to the party. The NFVF brings the evaluation of the script, make sure that it's ready for production, and the NFVF brings production monitoring and supervising on a creative level. And then the DTI brings the rebate to the party. And the rebate really helps to make a film more easily commercially viable. And the reason why is because the DTI rebate is non-recoupable. So once people have spent the money, they get the rebate back, and it's not repayable.
We actually think that there's a need for black directors as well as black producers, and hence the requirement for this specific fund. And it's not just having people that have the experience, but we also want to mentor and also provide supervision as well. So ultimately what we want to do is to create enough content, local content, that is actually going to achieve commercial viability and at the particular standard and requirements that a theatrical release will actually require. Not only focusing on the local market as well. What the intention is to give them enough experience so that they can actually achieve commercial viability locally as well as to obtain the international footprint. So that's basically the aim of the project.
In terms of job creation, what we are trying to do is create jobs, but skilled jobs. So for example, your heads of department, we would like to see black heads of department. We would like to see the cast and crew being mainly black. So there's a lot of opportunity to create highly skilled jobs for black people at all sorts of different levels. And with the aspect of mentorship coming into play, what that does is it helps to upskill people. So for example, we're giving opportunities now for filmmakers to make films at a budget of 5.2 million. But as they get more and more experience, they can graduate and move to the bigger budget films. So there's an element of skills transfer, there's an element of creating an opportunity for people to make films that can showcase their skills. And in doing that, they have an opportunity to move to to much bigger playing fields like Hollywood, for example.
The call has actually already gone out, and the closing date is mid-January. The details of the call is on the IDC website as well as the National Film and Video Foundation website. Now, this is actually the second call, and we've already selected a pilot, and processes have already gone through the pilot phase. So for people that are actually interested and that meet the criteria, are required to please fill out the applications and apply for the Emerging Black Filmmakers Transformation Fund. The aim is to promote the black producers and black directors as well as the local cast. So when we say local cast, we're looking at local stars that feature right now on a TV show. We want to be able to provide an opportunity for them to start featuring feature films, and there's a potential to obviously act in local South African films as well as to partner with international big name actors as well.